Namaste. Welcome to day 8 of our Navratri parenting lessons. Today we will talk about Devi Mahagauri. Mahagauri is the compassionate form of Devi. Parents need to be compassionate towards the children. There would be times when children make mistakes. There would be times when children try to hide those mistakes from us because we are teaching them that honesty brings punishment. We are teaching them that mistakes are something shameful and they are supposed to be hidden. For example, the child goes to the kitchen to drink water and the glass falls down from his hand and the water is spilled and the glass is also broken. आपके रिएक्शन के डर से वो फटाफट उसको समेटने की कोशिश कर रहा है एंड आप उसको देखते हो. Now there are two ways you can react. Either you can be angry at them, first making the mistake and then hiding it, or you can just bring them out of the kitchen. You tell them, come out, stay with me and tell me what happened in there. So he will tell you that I was trying to drink water, it fell down, glass broke. Then ask, so what is the mistake here? So he will tell, my mistake was that I should not have used that glass. Then you ask, is there any other mistake? Then he'll say, no other mistake. Then you tell them, okay, trying to hide this from mama, is that a mistake? So they'll say, yeah, I think so. And that's when you know that the child also knows this thing, that this is a mistake. Then tell them, maybe it is okay, you made a mistake. The glass fell down, that is a first mistake. But you are trying to clean it up so that mama doesn't come to know. That is a second mistake and it is actually a bigger mistake. So what can we do? Next time something like this happens, do not hide from me. So when you handle it gently and with compassion like this, they would understand that it is okay to be honest and confess whatever mistake we have made before our parent. The parent will not get angry. They would support us. So this is what we learn from Devi Mahagauri. Tomorrow we will meet for the final lesson from Devi Siddhidatri. Till then, happy Navratri.